Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to reverse the navigation keys in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First, you can see the navigation keys at the bottom screen of your phone. See here, these three are the navigation keys. Okay, so for going back, you will always press this one. Okay, to view recent tabs you will press this. Okay, this navigation buttons, this navigation key. Okay, to go to the home screen you will single touch this middle navigation button. Okay, if you would like to reverse the order of the navigation buttons, that is back button comes to right side and recent tabs goes to left side. That means you should change the order of the navigation keys. So to change order of navigation keys, first go to the settings of your phone here, then go to system management and go to system navigation, and here select second one. So navigation keys are now reversed. So to go back, now hereafter you have to press this one. Okay, that is in the right side. Okay, to view recent tabs you have to press here. Okay, to go to the home screen you have to touch here. So in this way you can easily reverse the navigation keys in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.